Hey everyone, this is your instructor, Mrs. Moore. Some of you are having some issues with graphing on the 3.2 lesson. So what I've done is I've pulled up actually one of our questions. I will not work it correctly because the fact it is one of your questions, but I will show you how to use the graphing tools. So in this particular problem, you have x minus 4y equals -8, and you're asked to graph the linear equation. Well, remember, it takes 2 points to make a line. So therefore, what you'll need to do is to find 2 points that actually work for this particular equation. Once you find those 2 points, remember, do your algebra. You can do plug in. You can substitute a value for x and then find a value for y. That'd be a great way to work this particular problem. But you're going to find 2 points. So let's just say that one of the points happens to be 5, 6. So what I will do is I'll take my cursor and I will go over to 5, 6. So this will be 5, and then we're going to go up to 6. Now, once you locate that point, you take your mouse, find the point, and you click on it. Okay? Once you click on it, then that's going to be a place where we need to do. But I forgot to do something first. Come down here. When I clicked, you notice this little screen came up. So this is the screen you're going to need to be able to do your graph. So we're going to be graphing a line. So if you look at the bottom, you have different shapes that you'll be using. This one is for line. So we'll click the line tool. Okay. And then we'll come up here and let's go find our 0.56 that we said worked. I don't think that one actually works, but we're going to use that. All right, so since I pretend like this is one of the points that worked. So now you've clicked the line tool. Now click your dot. Now, let's say it also goes through, and I'm making up a point here again. Let's say -2, 3. Okay, so what I'll do, if you'll notice when I start moving my mouse, the line appears and it goes all different directions. What if you want to move it? Well, I need it to go through 3, 2. So take your mouse and just guide that line till it gets through, goes through that 0.32. So there it is. So now I'm going to click it. Okay, so now I have my line. And then what you would do is you would go and check your answer. And all right. Says, sorry, that's not correct. Well, I know it wasn't correct because I didn't pick the right points anyway. But my point was just trying to show you how to use the graphing tool. Of course, you'll click OK here, and then you can start again. So to start again, let's say neither one of the points were ones that actually worked. So what you could do is say clear, maybe. Yeah, here we go. Clear, and then we will do OK, and so your line's gone. So now you can start again with your particular line. Remember, go here to line, click that, then start with whatever is one of your points. Let's say this was one of our points. Click it, and then simply move it, and now you have a line, and you just watch that line as you move, and see as you move, that line's going to move. So you'll just need to find that other point, and as soon as that line gets on that point, let's say it's right here, that's what I'm looking at, I'll click it, and there's my line. And then there you go. Now later on, you'll need some other graphs when we get into this. So these different shapes down here at the bottom. Well, you can have any of these particular shapes, but that's not what we're covering right now. So I hope this helps. If it doesn't, let me know. Thank you.